This cat chart has pictures of the cats over here, and up here are toys. And the checks tell us which cats like which toys. Let's start with the blue cats row. Is there a check here under the squeaky fish?
No.
No. That means the blue cats don't like squeaky fish. Is there a check here under the jingle bell?
Nope.
Nope. They don't like bells either. Is there a check here under the ball of yarn?
Yes.
Yes! That means the blue cats like to play with balls of yarn.